Lord Shiva is depicted with a third eye on his forehead, and we are told this eye destroys everything it sees. This attribute of Shiva definitely makes a great mythological spectacle. But there is something deeper and more profound. He is also called as Triambake, which in Sanskrit means the one with three eyes. And Shiva destroys the world by opening his third eye. According to popular belief, Shiva's left eye represents the moon and his right eye the sun. In Hindu mythology, Shiva is one of the principal deities. Amongst the three primary deities in Hinduism of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, he is the destroyer and reformer, with Brahma being the creator and Vishnu being the sustainer. Shiva has many iconographical attributes which include body covered in ash, sitting on tiger skin, a cobra around his neck, crescent moon on his head, a trident in one hand, a drum in other hand, river Ganges flowing out of his matted hair, and a third eye on his forehead. All of these attributes of Shiva have some significance associated with them, and there are very interesting stories associated with all these attributes. I do plan on covering each one of them in the future videos. However, in today's video, let's just focus on his third eye, as in my opinion, this one is the most profound. So, what is the meaning of Shiva's third eye? Shiva's third eye is located on his forehead and most of the times remain closed. However, when Shiva opens his third eye, it destroys everything that it sees. As an example, in Shiva Puran, there is a story where the Devas decide to help Parvati please Lord Shiva by sending Lord Kama, the god of love and lust, to Mount Kailash. While Lord Shiva is seen meditating, Kamadev raises his sugarcane bow, pulls his bowstring buzzing with bees, and shoots flowery darts of Kama, that is desire, into Shiva's heart. The result was not something the Devas expected it would be. Instead of opening his eyes and expressing his desire for Parvati, Lord Shiva opens his third eye. It is in the center of the forehead and blows out a missile of fire that sets Kamadev aflame. Right in front of Parvati, Kamadev is reduced to a pile of ashes in no time. It is then that Shiva gets the name Destroyer. Such is the power of the third eye of Lord Shiva. Through this incident, the third eye has been accompanied by emotions of rage and anger. As the Shiva Puran narrates, once, playfully, Parvati closes the eyes of Lord Shiva with her hands from behind. The world descended into confusion and darkness due to his closed eyes. The sun and moon disappeared. All living creatures became cheerless and filled with fear. Even the gods were helpless and didn't know how to combat this darkness. Shiva immediately used his godly ability to produce fire to form the third eye on his forehead. Parvati's palms were sweating from the heat of the fire. This eye provided light to the world when his other two eyes were closed. Shiva then said to Parvati, "I never close my eyes completely, as it will disturb the balance in the cosmos and the universe. Because you playfully closed both my eyes, I had to open my third eye to maintain the balance." While covering Lord Shiva's eyes, Goddess Parvati's hands started perspiring. The sweat filled with the power of Shiva and Shakti transformed into a child, a blind child. The couple named this child Andaka. At this time, there was an Asura named Hiranyaksh who had no sons. He then prayed to Lord Shiva, and pleased by his devotion, the couple decided to offer him with Andaka to raise him as his son. Andaka went on to become the king of Hiranyaksh's kingdom. Later, Andaka gets blessed with a boon from Lord Brahma. Andak did rigorous penance for Lord Brahma and got a boon that if his blood were to touch the earth, from each drop of blood, a new Andakasura would take birth. One day, Andak sees the beautiful goddess Parvati and falls in love with her and decides to marry her. Even after being warned and preached that she was his mother. The Asura did not listen, and thus it was necessary to teach Andak a lesson. A fierce battle starts between Shiva and Andakasura. And whenever a drop of his blood fell on the ground, many more Andakasuras took birth. Finally, Goddess Shakti supported Shiva in the form of Mahakali or Raktadantika. She drank all the blood that oozed out and ate up all the new Andakasuras. Mahadev created the Saptamatrukas, the 7 divine goddesses, and they assisted along with Kali to put an end to Andaka. Finally, Shiva lifted Andaka with his trident and burnt him with the fire of his third eye. And finally, Andak asked for forgiveness. And Shiva, the Bholenath, forgives Andak, and it is believed that Shiva transforms Andak into Bhringi, the leader of his Ganas. The third eye of the Lord has always embarked a sense of rage and fierceness, destroying everything that came in its vision. Third eye of Lord Shiva represents the anger and symbol of righteousness too. It indicates the results of overwhelming emotions. Lord Shiva having 3 eyes means he is holding spirit, energy and matter within himself. Thus, 3 eyes represent Lord Shiva as the ultimate reality. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such interesting content.